Guy Fawkes Night, or Bonfire Night, is an annual commemoration of the 5th of November 1605, when Guy Fawkes made a gunpowder plot where him and other Catholic protesters had intended to assassinate Protestant King James I and his parliament, as they were refusing to grant greater religious tolerance to Catholics. Here is a famous poem to remember Guy Fawkes Day. Remember, remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Guy Fawkes, 'twas his intent to blow up the king and the parliament, 70 barrels of powder below, poor old England to overthrow. By God's providence he was caught with a dark lantern and burning match. Hollo boys, let the bells ring. Hollo boys, God save the king.